welcome to Costa Rica. Good morning. So first night survived. All in all, not bad. Right, my dear?
The animal sounds we've never heard before. And my body was always like, wake up, danger. We really need to get used to the climate here. It's a change from Guatemala. Come in.
And find out.
So as promised yesterday, we give you a very quick room tour because it's a super sweet casa. We have a little kitchen with everything you need for cooking and coffee. And then we even have a little hallway leading to the not so cleaned up bedroom anymore. It's a bedroom. Ta-da! A bathroom. The shower already attacked us. If you turn it up too much, it kind of explodes on the upper part and the water is all going here and dripping here. I have a lot of dry shampoo now in my hair because I was not able to wash my hair. And the living room. Okay, chair is harder than it looks. Yeah, way better. So you can open all windows, you even have a mosquito net here, a bit of fresh air gets in. And the best part of this whole casa, why we needed to give you a room for, is outside. We have a balcony with the most beautiful view for the first night in Costa Rica. And next balcony, even bigger balcony with a hammock. And the next balcony. That's it. Nothing more. No, there's more. You can go downstairs. Welcome to the garden. And you have a whole barbecue area with grill, water, I don't know what's in there.
A church.
An outdoor shower. A garage. Doggy's getting excited. Getting down here with the flip-flops is not the best idea.
Yeah, I hope we don't slip and fall and get hurt and have to go to a hospital again. That would be the sequel of Maddy and Sascha being sick in Central America. Nice garden.
Yeah, I think they will build something. You could make something beautiful out of it.
Definitely some potential in here.
Yeah, potential, yeah.
So nothing here yet, but maybe in a while.
The plan for today is to make the whole way from Escobar, the little town where we are right now, which is 1 hour next to San Jose, to Montezuma, which is on the western side of Costa Rica. There we have 2 nights enjoying all the little towns. Montezuma, local people told us, is not super something you need to see, but there's Santa Teresa and other villages next to it that we really want to see, and Montezuma is the cheapest village, so we are just making our way from Montezuma to all the little villages. You will see. Pretty excited. Travel day in our own car, Okay. Let's get going!
Let's fire up the car so the AC gets going.
I really like this Pura Vida thing. Say goodbye or hi with Pura Vida. Enjoy the pure life. Huh? Chicos?
€1 basically toll. That's a bit more.
To get to the peninsula where Montezuma is located on the west coast of Costa Rica, we need to catch a ferry or drive for 5 hours more to not take a ferry. So we are definitely going to take a ferry today in Costa Rica.
Spirits are up. Totally satisfied with everything so far. Car is nice, people nice, country nice, everything nice. Let's go.
Like something.
Take the next left onto Ferry Playa Naranjo, then take the ferry.
Okay, we made it to the ferry, and there's one at 12:30 and one at 3. And of course we arrived at 1, so 2 hours waiting now till the ferry leaves. We really don't understand the system because some people are already standing on the ferry ground in line and we were advised to stand outside. I'm very confused. I don't know, there are people, they don't really seem to know what's going on. Yeah, they couldn't even tell me the price, how much it is. And it's freaking hot in here. Buenas. Okay, gracias.
I'm so hot. The AC in this car has seen better days.
Fuck, he has a yellow card. Oh nein, er hätte mir auch bezahlen müssen. Hat er aber nicht gesagt. Hello.
We did buy a ticket.
Oh, he told us we need to come here and pay here.
Yes.
Why didn't they tell us? Gracias.
At least they have air conditioning here. Whew. So happy about that fact. In the car it was so hot. We need to get used to the climate again. Guatemala was nothing compared to Costa Rica. Let's enjoy the AC for a bit.
Great success. We are on a ferry. I mean, it's our fault. We could have arrived earlier. As a German, you're maybe the worst world traveler of all. You're coming from a country where everything is like super structured, even too much structured. So everything that is not well structured is an obstacle for you, at least for us.
And pisses us off.
Pisses us off because it's not well structured. I'm learning so much about myself and my own culture here. We made it. I mean, our car is down there, safe and sound, hopefully. We are here. There's AC, but they have ice. If it's safe to eat it here or not, because you never know if the cooling chain was cut somewhere. Maybe that's a German thought.
Again.
So, hope it was a good choice. Can you see this? I bought a fumigator.
So Maddy and me are taking a sweet ice cream detour here with the ferry to go to the peninsula where Tamarindo and Montezuma and Santa Teresa is located. To that point, quite a struggle, but we've made it. The unprepared, structured Germans made it. That's what it is. Yeah, let's enjoy this little ferry trip here over the ocean. Should take about 20 minutes. And we're there. Taking the ferry always has something special to it. It's a view that you don't get every day, but it's also scary.
And I'm always amazed that these things can actually float.
But we love it. We've done it in Norway, we've done it in Ireland.
But there it worked better.
More structured. Sorry guys. We made it off the ferry, and the way off the ferry was as unstructured as onto the ferry, because nobody was telling you where to go and when to go to your car. Anyway, Pura Vida, yeah, in the end we made it. They waited for us, all good. Again, some valuable travel lessons. Shall we do it?
Welcome to Montezuma. Cabinas, Radin. Welcome. I love my choice of hotels. I'm getting better at this.
Yeah. We made it to Montezuma, and we hope that Montezuma doesn't take revenge on us, right? Is it also saying in English?
Let us know, because in German we always say Montezuma's revenge. The thing we had, it was Montezuma's Rache.
Let's go, huh?
You know what I always realize? I really love the color burgundy red.
It's like, huh?
Yeah, I even have a shirt with me in the same color.
We got some pools over here. Got a fridge, poisonous frog, AC, which works great.
A few moments later.
Hey, Sascha. I love this place. And fun thing, nobody tells you to go here. It's just in the Lonely Planet. And even the Germans are like, go in different villages. This one is not so nice. If this is not nice, how do the other ones look?
And the bar we are visiting tonight, the dinner place, is called Cocolores, which means bullshit in German, which is pretty fun.
In German, ooh!
And Maddy just got attacked by a bat.
By a vampire. We checked in our hotel, we found a really nice restaurant, and I think this is it for us. We are calling it a day.
And the next one.
We are having yuca chips, Snickers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And
Almond Snickers.
Ooyy cafe. What else do we have? Strange bread and a package of cheese slices. Let's try.